Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another Halo Mini on a Jaguar 2019 F-Pace. So how the system works, as soon as you open the door, system will arm. So if I try and start it, it would just say key not detected, okay? As you can see, keys in the vehicle, okay? Try and start it, key not detected. So every time you jump in the vehicle, as soon as you close the door, insert your code, which we're going to change after the video. So tap, 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 tap. We'll get a flash to confirm it's disarmed and we'll be able to start the vehicle. Okay, vehicle starts, really simple, really straightforward. Okay, when I turn off the ignition, as soon as I open the door, system is armed. So if I try and start it, you'll see, keys here, it just won't start, okay? It just won't start. So as I said, let's just disarm it now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's now disarmed. If we wish to place it in valet mode, the way we would do that is really simple and really straightforward. So ignition on, insert the code, but this time on the last press, hold it for 15 seconds. And if you watch carefully, you'll see we'll get 5 flashes and the system will be in valet mode. So if you keep on watching, there you go, it's gone into valet mode. So as soon as I turn off the start button and open the door, it's in valet mode. We'll be able to start it. Not speed or distance dependent, you control it in and you control it out of valet mode. So as soon as I get the vehicle back, main ignition on without the vehicle running, insert the code and hold on the last press. If you give it about 15 to 20 seconds, you'll see thereafter we'll get a flash and it will come out of valet mode. So keep watching carefully. There you go. If I turn off the ignition, open the door, system will be armed, okay? Try and start it, it just won't start, needs a code, okay? So let's just insert the code. There you go. Now, if we wanted to change the code, the way we would do that, as long as it's in the disarm state, which it is, main ignition on, tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times, and we get confirmation that it's going into programming mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So we're just going to do something very basic. So tap, 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 tap. Start button off within 5 seconds. There you go. Open the door. Let's just try and start it. Key not detected. Let's just try the new code. Tap, 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 tap. New code has been entered. Start the vehicle. Okay, on here we've done something very special. So say, for example, you were lending the vehicle to somebody, obviously, and you wanted it immobilised, but you didn't want them to drive it after a certain time. So what we're going to do is we're going to send it a remote command to a tracker, which is obviously fitted to the vehicle, and it's going to send a command to the immobiliser. So we're going to send it a command now, if you watch carefully. So if you watch now, it's actually come back with confirming that it's accepted it. So if I now try and open the door, system is armed, but if I try and put the code in, it just won't accept the code. Just won't accept the code. Okay, so now I'm going to fire it another command. So if you see I open the door, try and insert the code. Sorry, I think it was this one here. Just won't accept the code. So we now send it another command so we can re-enable it. If you watch carefully, just going to send it another command. Bear with me a second. I've just sent it another command. We're just going to wait for confirmation of it to come back to us. Bear with me a second. There you go. It's come back now. Let's just open the door. Now try and insert the code. There you go. Now unlock the system, we're able to start it. Okay, slightly different to the standard CANBUS Immobilisers that's very popular. But as I said, for example, say for example you wanted to lend the vehicle to somebody and you wanted it to be safe, i.e. immobilised, but obviously you didn't want them to drive it after a certain time. You could use this system and it would give you remote immobilisation. As I said, this is the Halo Mini. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 02890604780. 02890604780. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.